really cool today. We are going to be in a science laboratory. Can you say the word laboratory? Laboratory. So there's a couple of rules in my laboratory. I need everyone to have listening ears. Put on your listening ears. I need everyone to have watching eyes. Show me watching eyes. I need peanut butter lips. And I need calm bodies. So you're probably thinking, Miss Fatima, what are you wearing? Well, one of the other rules in the laboratory is you have to have safety gear. We have to keep ourselves safe. So I'm wearing eye goggles because what we're gonna do today might get a little messy and I don't want it in my eye. And then I'm wearing a lab coat because I don't want the stuff to get onto my body, onto my skin, or onto my clothes. So I'm wearing my eye goggles and a lab coat and I look pretty silly. But what we're gonna do today is I have a bottle, Miss Mosley, actually I'll bring it closer so you can see it. I have a bottle with vinegar. So this is something you might have at home. So this is vinegar. And vinegar is called an acid. This is an acid, so vinegar is our acid. And then I have some baking soda. Baking soda is something else you might have at your house. Baking soda is a base, so we have an acid and a base. And what happens when you mix an acid and a base together is called a chemical reaction. Can you guys say chemical reaction? Let me see your mouths move. Chemical reaction. It's a big fancy word that means when two things get together, they don't like each other, so they make a big reaction. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna see what happens when I add the baking soda, the base, to our acid, the vinegar right here. And I know the vinegar is clear right now, so you can't really see it. So I'm gonna change its color with food dye so you guys can see it just a little bit better. And I'm gonna bring my table a little bit closer to see if that helps. Okay. Okay. Now we need to choose color. I'm just gonna choose one of you to tell me the color we should make. Actually, you know what? Miss Mosley, what color should I make our vinegar today? What color? Miss Mosley wants us to make it red. I think that's a great idea. We're gonna make it red. So I have red food coloring. Okay. Red food coloring. And now I want you to count as I put drops in. Count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll lift it up so you can see, okay? All right, I'm gonna swirl it around. Do you guys see it, how it's now red? Look how cool that is. Give me a thumbs up if you can see that it changed color. It's red now with the food dye. It's red now. All right, I'm gonna put it back down. All right, now watch closely with your watching eyes because it's gonna happen fast. I'm gonna take, we have our acid, right? Our vinegar, here's our acid, and I'm gonna add baking soda to it. And when we add the baking soda, the base, it's gonna cause a chemical reaction. You try saying that chemical reaction. All right, give me a thumbs up if you are ready for me to add the baking soda into the vinegar. Give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Okay, Miss Mosley, can our friends watching later on, can they see it okay? All right, perfect. All right, I'm taking a spoon and I'm putting some baking soda on it. Watch closely what happens to the ball. Make sure your attention scopes are right there. Watch close, ready? I'm gonna move the book off the table so if it goes over. Okay, let's see what happens. Watch. Oh, we can add more. Did you see it bubble? Let's do some more. A little bit more, see if it will go farther. Maybe. Nope, I think that's it. Okay, so this is something you guys can do at home, and if you do this weekend with mom and dad, make sure you're doing this with mom and dad or a grown-up or a big sister or brother, because you can do one of these at home. This is something this experiment is super easy with acids and bases, okay? But make sure you're being safe. All right, friends. Miss Mosley, did you want to do Go Noodle? Okay, friends, Miss Mosley's I'm gonna get all this cleaned up, and Miss Mosley is gonna put on a Go Noodle video. Was that fun? Give me a thumbs up if that was a fun thing that we did. Did we like